Sir, in the last video, we covered very clearly what is checked exception with multiple examples, right? Now, we have to perform postmortem on unchecked exceptions so that you people can feel more comfortable. Sir, what is unchecked? Unchecked. Checked means compiler will check. Unchecked means compiler won't check. So, let me go for a small normal analogy and then I will go for technical example. Sir, do you know your mother will check whether you are handling hall ticket missing exception or not, pen not working exception or not, like mother can check, because missing hall ticket, pen not working, these things are the most commonly raised exceptions in the exam hall, correct, right? That's why mother is always going to check. Now I have another small doubt. Mother can ask, Arey, whether you took hall ticket or not, whether you took extra pen or not. These things every mother or every father before going for the exam, every parents are always going to ask. Now I have one small doubt. Assume that if you are going, if you entered in the exam hall, of course you are writing the exam. So while writing the exam, just beside, suddenly there's a big bomb blast is going to be happen. Are you getting? There's a big bomb blast is going to be happen. Arey, how you can handle the situation? Is your mother can ask like this? Arey Durga, while writing the exam, just beside there is a bomb blast is going to be happen. How you can handle? How you can handle this situation? If the mother can ask. If you forgot all ticket, how you can handle? If the pen is not working, how you can handle? Mother can ask. Arey, there is a big bomb blast is happening just beside you. So how you can handle? If the mother can ask. Never. By mistake, if the mother is asking such a type of question, I don't want to go for the exam. Even by mistake, if I'm going for the exam hall, my concentration is not on the exam paper, my concentration is on beside any bomb is there or not. That's why, so no mother will ask such a type of questions, okay? But is it possible for bomb blast exception in the exam hall or not? Yes, man, yes, but very rare. Out of 1 crore times, maybe one time, but in India as of now, bomb blast not reported in the exam hall. Remember, don't worry about that, okay? That is very rare. That's why mother will ask commonly occurred problems only, okay? Very rarely occurred things my mother is not going to ask. Are you able to understand? Same way, there are some exceptions which are not checked by compiler, okay? Compiler won't check. Such type of exceptions are by default considered as unchecked exception. Can you please give an example? Best example, bomb blast exception. Are you getting? Best example, bomb blast exception is the example of unchecked exception, right? Okay, well, now my question, take very special care, sir. Can you please give an example for technically, can you please give an example so that we can able to understand easily, sir? Observe carefully, right? Here I am taking class test. Okay. Public static void main method. Public static void main string array args. Just my target is system.out.println 10/0 I am taking, sir. System.out.println 10/0, just I am taking like this, right? Now I will ask the compiler, can you please compile my code? Compiler, can you please compile my code? Like simply compiler, what is going to tell? Durga, no problem, happily I can compile, like the code is going to be compiled. Then immediately you may get the shock. Arey, there is a possibility of arithmetic exception, but still compiler is the silent, because arithmetic exception, whether you are handling or not, my compiler is not going to check. Are you getting? Compiler never going to check whether you are handling arithmetic exception or not. That's why arithmetic exception is not checked by compiler, okay? Which is unchecked exceptions, right? Okay, the exceptions which are unchecked, which are not checked by compiler, whether the programmer handling or not, such type of exceptions are by default considered as unchecked exceptions, okay? Best example, arithmetic exception, no compile time error but at runtime, exception in thread main, exception in thread main java.lang dot arithmetic exception division by 0. So this is not a compile time problem. This is the problem at runtime. It is the runtime exception, right? That's why arithmetic exception is not a checked exception. It is unchecked exception. Clear, right? Okay. So just take a bit very special care. Let me execute this code, sir. Have a look once. Have a look once here. Class test I'm taking. Class test 10 by 0. Have a look once. Class test public static void main 10 by 10 by 0. Like this I'm taking, sir. Now I will ask the compiler. Compiler, can you please compile my code? Compiler, can you please compile my code? Java C test.java. Happily the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Happily the code compiles fine, no problem at all. Now Java test. Regarding Java test, if I can ask like this, at runtime I'm getting exception in thread main java.lang arithmetic exception division by 0. So even arithmetic exception is coming at runtime, but my compiler never going to object about this one, because compiler never worry about arithmetic exception, because it is unchecked exception, right? Regarding the most commonly raised exception, sir, compiler is always going to check. Rarely occurred exception, compiler won't check. Such type of exceptions are by default considered as unchecked exceptions. Is it clear for all of you, right? So can you please give an example for unchecked exception? Bomb blast exception, arithmetic exception. These things are examples for unchecked exception. Can you please give an example for checked exception? The exceptions which are checked by compiler, whether programmer handling or not. Such type of exceptions are called checked exception. Hall ticket missing exception, pen not working exception, file not found exception, interrupted exception. These examples are checked exception, but these arithmetic exception, bomb blast exception, these are examples for unchecked exceptions. Up to this is the clear for all of you, right? If you feel comfortable, then I will go for which are checked exceptions, which are unchecked exceptions, right? Sir, let me go for another small example to get much clarity on checked exception, so that you people can feel more comfortable. Do you know, have you ever heard about Safari? Okay, Safari team, South Africa team is called Safari team. Safari. What it means, Safari? Safari means you can go into the forest to see wild animals. Do you know that tour name is called Safari? Safari, right? Here, assume you took the ticket for Safari. There is a special vehicles will be there. Okay, even animals are going to attack, protection by default will be there. Like you have to take 600 rupees or something, like you have to take the ticket, and you have to enter into that vehicle, right? Now 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers through inside deep forest, they will bring, so that you can see wild animals live directly, naturally, right? That is called Safari. Do you know, one time I went somewhere at Bandipur, near Karnataka, Mysore, Bandipur. Just I went for the safari, sir. I took the ticket, just I approached, I came nearer to the vehicle. Then there are some security people are there. Security people just objected me, sir, you are not allowed for safari, like. Then immediately I asked, why I not allowed? I have the ticket, like. Sir, you are not allowed for the safari, like. Then I asked, what the reason? Like, sir, you used a very dark color shirt. Okay, very dark, blazing color shirt. If this type of shirt is there, if a blazing color, okay, what shirt if you are using, maybe animals, there is a maximum chance to attack. Are you getting? Wild animals maybe a chance to attack. That's why. So you can't use this dark color shirt. Compulsory you require to change your shirt, then only we are allowed for the safari, like they told. Hurry, it doesn't mean animals came and attacked me. No. The security people are alerting me. Sir, you didn't, you are using so very blazing color or dark color shirt, which are going to be so attracted or feared by animals. There is a maximum chance to attack. That's why, sorry, with this dress we are not allowed. then immediately, so my luggage is very far, then immediately nearby one cloth showroom is there, then I took the new shirt, I changed my shirt, then they are allowed me. Observe a bit very carefully, right? So have you observed, right? So why security people object me? Because at runtime there may be a chance of problem. Okay, to prevent that, these people are going to alert me. Such a type of exceptions are by default considered as checked exceptions, right? Are you getting right? Animal attack exception, there is a possibility. Animal attack exception, which is the checked exception, man. Compiler will check whether you are in the position to handle or not. Clear, right? Okay, come back. In the last session I covered about exception handling hierarchy. Which class acts as root for exception? Total Java exceptions and errors are throwable. Throwable class acts as a root, right? Now this throwable contain two child classes. One is exception, the second one is error. Are you getting? One is exception, second one is error. Under exception, runtime exception, arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, class cast exception, index out of bounds exception, array index out of bounds, string index out of bounds, like multiple things are there under runtime. Similarly, under exception, IO exception is there. Under IO, EOF exception, file not found exception. Next, interrupted exception, servlet exception, SQL exception, remote exception, like multiple things are available. Similarly, error also. Error, virtual machine error, stack overflow error, out of memory error, like. So now my question is, among all these things, which are checked, which are unchecked? Are you getting? Which are checked, which are unchecked? So which things compiler will check whether you are handling or not? Which things compiler ignore? It is not going to check whether programmer handling or not. Which are checked, which are unchecked? Compulsory you people should have clear clarity about this terminology, right? Okay, listen carefully. What about errors, right? Errors. Sir, simple. In the last somewhere I covered, errors are non-recoverable. Okay, if an error occur, being a programmer, you can't do anything, just we have to see, that's all. The program will be terminated abnormally, because errors are not caused by our program, errors are caused by due to lack of system resources. Okay, so here if out of memory error is coming, being a programmer, what you can do? Nothing. I can't do anything, because errors are non-recoverable. Program will be terminated abnormally. Exception handling concept not applicable for these bloody things, right? Now the question is, take very special care. Error, is there any chance compiler will ask the programmer, compiler will ask Durga, there is a possibility of out of memory error, how you can handle? Durga, how you can handle? Is there any such type of possibility the compiler is going to ask me? By mistake, if the compiler will ask this question, okay, then I will give left and right to the compiler. Arey bloody compiler, errors I can't handle. That is not my job. Why you are asking this question to me? That's why. So errors are non-recoverable. We are not responsible to handle. We can't handle also. Out of memory error is coming. What I can do? System admin or server admin is responsible to increase the memory. So program will be terminated abnormally. They are responsible to increase, not by the programmer, not by the programmer, right? That's why errors, compiler never going to ask the programmer whether you are handling or not. That's why all errors are unchecked. Remember this one, sir. All errors are unchecked. Observe that a bit very carefully, sir. Every error by default unchecked. Similarly, here say this one. What about runtime exception? Runtime exceptions because of our runtime values. Okay. So runtime exception and its child classes. Observe very carefully. Runtime exception and its child classes. Error and its child classes are unchecked. Are you getting? Just observe very carefully, sir. Runtime exception and its child classes. Next, error and its child classes are unchecked, sir. So it is also unchecked. It's also unchecked, sir. So this corner, runtime exception and its child classes, error and its child classes are unchecked. except these two groups, all the remaining are checked exceptions only, except this runtime exception and child classes, error and child classes. Every remaining thing is by default checked one only. Throwable checked, sir. Next, exception checked, IO exception checked, UOF exception, file not found exception, interrupted exception, servlet exception, remote exception. All these things are checked exceptions only. So which are checked, which are unchecked, you people should have clear clarity. Runtime exception and its child classes, error and its child classes are unchecked, except that all the remaining things in our exception hierarchy are checked exceptions. Compiler is always going to check whether you are handling or not. Yes, this part, sir. But unchecked area, compiler never going to check. Everyone in the position to understand what is checked, what is unchecked exceptions, right?